Hey guys, it's your girl Michelle back with another video. Don't mind my hair, right? Because we are at home and we are working. Don't mind my shirt. We are at home and we are working. Okay? So in this video, I just wanted to show you real quick how to do a lip scrub. Lip scrubs are super easy. They're super easy to make, super fast, super like a money maker because it's so cheap. You can make a lot and sell it high, if that makes sense. So it's a higher profit for a small margin. I believe I use those correctly. So yeah, so I'm gonna just show y'all real quick what to do. My area is a hot mess, but that's okay. I'm trying to do a lot of things at once. Okay, y'all like my lip gloss? It's kind of hot because I'm working. I got the stove on, got the fan on, and I'm moving. But my lip gloss is from by Ari. Oh, Gloss by Jay. Shout out to Boo. I got this really cheap, and it's kind of a little sparkly. It's super soft. It doesn't it doesn't feel bad. It feels soft. I could definitely wear this all day long. My lips ain't stuck together, so yeah. So what you're gonna do, you can get a lip balm base from Crafter's Choice. Crafter's Choice, you get it from Wholesale Supplies Plus. It's like $10 for a pound. And then with Wholesale Supply Plus, if you spend $25 or more, it's free shipping. But it's kind of like you pay it's $5 something. So like let's say $6 for shipping. It used to be $5 flat, but I think they're getting popular, and so it's like $5.95 now or $5.65. So this is $10. Then you get some flavoring, which could be, depending on the size, could be like $3 to $10 for how much you get, and depending, every flavor is a different price. Then you can get some sugar and some containers. The containers I got these from the dollar store. So far they're the cheapest for me. You get 3 for $1. They're 1 ounce, and everybody else it's like a little bit more than $1 or $2 for the 1 ounce containers. And so I'd rather just go drive down to the dollar store and buy 10 of them for $10. I get 30 containers for $10. Maybe $1 or $2 in gas, and then I have them right away, right? So until then, this is what I'm working with. Oh, and then you need some sugar for your scrub. And then they also have colors. Look on the website. They have colors, they got flavors, additives, all of that, all on the website. Wholesale Supply Plus. So what we're gonna do is take this. I have my scale right here. And we're gonna put 3 ounces of this in here. Okay. So I added 3 ounces. Okay, it's 3 right on the dot. I'll put this right here. Then we're gonna put this. Okay, so now that it's melted, it really only took 1 minute, but I was doing some stuff. And so now that it's melted, we're gonna add our sugar. So take the sugar, and we're gonna add 3 ounces of sugar. The sugar, really, you can do it as much as you want because it's gonna be your scrub, and this is how you make the recipe unique to you. I like to do mine at least to match. And then I like to add vitamin E. Just a couple drops. And then you stir it. And so if you can see, it's like still loose, and I don't want that. So let's add some more sugar. I'm gonna add 1 ounce. And let's see where that's at. I hope this don't look too bad. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm not a professional YouTuber yet. And so, okay, so for this one, we're gonna take our watermelon. If you don't like the taste of it, you can add another sugar, which is called stevia, or one of those types of sugars, to help sweeten it up. So it's still like not thick enough, so I'm gonna add another ounce. Okay. Or let's do half an ounce. No, let's do an ounce. Okay. All right, guys. So I added some color. 2 ounces. It was a little too light for me. I wanted more richer pink to go with the watermelon flavor, so I added some more color. At this moment is when you can add any extraness that you want. You can add multicolors. You can add like those little candies from the baking section that you decorate cakes with. We're also gonna add our flavor oil. As you can see, I have this little dropper thing. I added about 5 of those drops in there, and I've also added some almond oil. You can add any oil you want. Just do your little research of which kind of oil you want to add, and the oil helps keep it moisturized because I added the oils, it made my scrub a little loose again, so I started adding more sugar because I really wanted the thickness of the scrub. And so at this moment is when you can critique your recipe and really make it your own. Okay, now you see it's like, it's all thick. Yes, it's all moving slow. Yes, baby. I don't want it to fall, but yeah. Look, I found my my apron.
Okay,
I
so
got
we're gonna use this
Hobby
pink
Lobby. It was like
mica
$1
from the website.
Holiday.
They do have some, like if you look, this
Yeah.
one says
But yeah,
approved.
that's pretty much how you can make
General
a lip
Cosmetic
scrub.
eye,
If you like my
no
video,
lip.
please give me a
So
thumbs
we
up.
can't
If
use
you
that
want to
one.
shop with me,
But we're gonna use this pink one
my
because it
business
doesn't
is
say
Physique
that.
Treats. You can go to www.physiquetreats.com. I'll leave the links in the description box below where you can buy this stuff. And yeah, leave a comment if you like this video. Leave a pink heart if you made it to the end and made this lip scrub. And yeah, I don't know what else to say, but thank you for watching. Bye.